So you join us here on Queen Square, Wrexham, where the sun has come out, and I'm with Mel Kearsley from the Wrexham Play Development Team. So the big question of the day, Mel, is why is Play Day so important?
Play Day is just vitally important because it gets it because everybody loves playing, even the staff. But it's good for families to get together and to play, and it's really good because it's free, and the holidays can end up being quite expensive. But also wider than that, is children playing is really important because it's good for their development. It's fun, it's enjoyable, and also they've got a right to play.
Yeah. We've just had Leah, who's a parent of 2 young boys and an older boy, and she was saying that often a lot of parents will be worried about them playing with a lot of loose parts and things, and too quick to say, oh no, don't do that, health and safety. What would you say you as a parent take away from Play Day?
Well, my children are here and they're getting stuck in. I'm a member of staff but also a parent, and they're absolutely loving it. All the staff here are qualified, they know what they're doing, they know what to look out for, and if anything gets too risky they'll stop it. But children actually, I firmly believe, children don't want to hurt themselves, they will do everything they can to keep it safe. So if they think that something's a bit risky, they won't do it. So things like the go-karts, you see children giving it a shake and testing it out before they go down a hill. So children are actually more sensible than we often give credit for.
Very true. Well, there you go. The sun's still shining. We're here till 4 o'clock.
The sun always shines on Play Day.
Always shines on Play Day. So come on down and join in. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.